In this video, I'll be talking about how you can do audience research. Now, audience research is very important because the point you're creating website for your own audience. And so finding right audience is very important because we're going to make sure that whatever things they're searching on Google search engine, we should know what they're searching and why they're searching. This is important. And we should also know who they are. So this is really very important because when you know your audience well in advance, you're going to make some very good strategies. So in this sessions, I will be talking about, how you're going to do, audience research using some amazing softwares and how you're going to plan your SEO efforts. So you can see that I'm on, as of now, Sparktoro. And this is a free trial which I'm using as of now. You can see that my audience frequently talks about. So let's say, for example, I want to reach, students or professionals who talks about search engine optimization or digital marketing. So I have to write it here. So let's say if I write it here, let's say digital marketing, if I click on discover now, digital marketing, right? Discover. So I'll get to know who they are. And this is going to be important. So we'll get some insights from here, which will help me to create my SEO plan. Nice. And you can see that top words in bio. So this is important because my audience, when they write bio in Instagram or Twitter, they use these words, which is marketer, strategist, founder, manager, development. This is important. So I'll get to know, okay, these are the words they use it. These are the hashtags they use. So let's say if they're creating any content, if they're creating content about on Twitter, on Instagram, they are using these kind of hashtags. Or on Facebook, they use content marketing, advertising, analytics, digital transformation, and branding. So someone talking about content marketing, I'll get to know, okay, they are interested in digital marketing. So this is the hashtags that my audience are using as of now. And you can see that these are the frequently used words, which is marketing strategy, latest article, marketing trends, panel discussion, augmented reality. So, it's very good that Sparktoro is giving me some very good insights. And you can see that here's what this audience follows, visit, engages with. So I should also know which are all accounts they're following with, engaging with. You can see that. So these are the accounts that they're following as of now. HubSpot, Anna Handley, Adweek. So these are the accounts which they're following as of now. So I'll get to know, okay, someone following HubSpot, they might be interested in digital marketing. Or someone following, let's say, Adweek or engaging with Adweek content, they all gonna be my audience. So just to show you quickly, if I go to Twitter, and if I search for, let's say, HubSpot, for example, if I find their account, this is, you can see HubSpot. So I can search for HubSpot. And you can see here, this is HubSpot. So if I click on HubSpot, you can see that people who are following HubSpot, they are interested in digital marketing. That's why they're following HubSpot. Not only this, people who are actually liking this content. Let's say, for example, if I like this, if I click here, now these are the people, 32 people. Let us check one comment. Okay, fine. So I'm not able to see as of now, but you can see that 13 people retweets. This is like people who have liked this content. So people who are liking this content also, they are also going to my audience. If I go to Instagram, so let's say if I find for HubSpot, I can find for HubSpot. So you can see here is I can search for HubSpot. HubSpot, if I search, and you can see that 5,27,000 followers. So if I go to this reel, you can see that people who are actually creating content, here, who are actually engaging with the post, they all gonna be my customers. This is important. So probably they are my audience. Keep this in mind. They might become my customers, but they are engaging with this kind of content. They might be interested in digital marketing. Same way, if I find, let's say, Moz, for example, or Ahrefs, Ahrefs, you can see here, if I go to Ahrefs, I can still find people who are engaging with Ahrefs. They are interested in search engine optimization. You can see that 21 comment. These all people, SEO Vikas, or let's say Datastic or Humira, these are all interested in, Ahrefs because they are interested in SEO as well. So nice. This is just an example. So I'm just showing it to you. Once you are here, you can find all these people. You can start engaging with them. You can see that some hidden gems. You can see that. So these are all ideas we are getting. Website they visit the most. So search engine, land, e-consultancy, media post. These are the websites my audiences are visiting also. These are some gems. You can see that kimgas.com, loyalty360.org.